Il-Kumpanija Amerikana taz-Zfin Ballet Magnificat bħalissa tinsab Malta għal produzzjoni li ser ittella nhar il-ġimgħa 18 ta' Mejju bl-isem The Prodigal's Journey ġewwa t-teatru Sant'Agata r-Rabat. Din il-kumpanija ddur id-dinja u teżebixxi madwar 200 produzzjoni fis-sena. Tkellimna mad-direttur artistiku Ġiri Vorboski waqt workshop li kien organizzat għal studenti Maltin li jitħarġu fi żfin klassiku.
We are bringing a ballet called Prodigal's Journey, and it's just a story really for everybody. And Ballet Magnificat is known for creating its own repertoire, so we are not performing Swan Lake and Romeo and Juliet, those type of productions, but all our repertoire includes ballets originally done specifically for Ballet Magnificat. And so that's it's a mixture of classical ballet. We're a classically based company, but the repertoire is definitely including other dance styles to be able to tell the story of, this Friday in particular, is story of Prodigal, leaving his wife and daughter and then coming back home after a journey that he has been taken on.
Id-direttur artistiku spjega wkoll li l-għan ta' din il-kumpanija ili waslu t-tagħlim nisrani permezz ta' żfin.
Every time we go to a new place, new country, a new city, and there's an opportunity to of course, visit the beauty of each location, but what really excites us is to be able to connect with the local people and kind of get to know the culture. And we are here to give hope, the hope of Jesus to this nation, to this people, because we are all really the same. Doesn't matter where we live, what country or culture, we all have the same needs and same struggles in life. And so Ballet Mag is just really honored to be here in Malta. And we are looking forward to, over the next 7 days, to connect with the people here and get to know the culture, experience the food and all that kind of stuff that goes with it. That's just really, really such an honor for us to be here.
Il-flus li jinġabru mill-produzzjoni li ser tittella nhar il-ġimgħa ser imorru għal Cross Cultural International Foundation blan li tgħin kontra it-traffikar uman.